In this video, I am going to tell you about PEMDAS. What is PEMDAS? It's order of operations. P stands for parenthesis, E for exponents, M multiplication, D for division, A for addition, S for subtraction. PEMDAS is short form of all this. And to solve expressions like this, if we follow the rule, that is order of operations, we can calculate it very easily and not be misled. So how to calculate this example? 6 plus 12 divided by 4 bracket multiplied by 2. How to calculate it? First we will do parenthesis, that is bracket. 6 plus 12 divided by 4 is equal to 3 multiplied by 2. Now there are two signs, plus and multiplication, that is addition and multiplication. Out of these two, which comes first? Addition is here, multiplication here, so multiplication comes first. So we will multiply 3 into 2 is 6. Answer will be 12. Now we take the next example, that is 3 minus 4, 3 square plus 1 minus 2. Here there are two different signs like parenthesis, bracket is parenthesis, and exponent also there. So 3 minus 4, first we will calculate exponent, that is 3 square is 9, 3 multiplied by 3 9, plus 1 minus 2. Now sign is minus, parenthesis, plus and minus. We will calculate first, complete this sign, parenthesis. So 4, 9 plus 1 10, minus 2, 3 minus, multiply, because these two signs are together, so we will multiply to remove this sign. So 4 into 10, or otherwise we can say there are two signs of minus and one multiplication. This is called multiplication. Multiplication comes first, minus or subtraction comes later. So 40 minus 2, this will become minus, these two signs are minus, we can say minus 3 minus 47, this will become minus 37 minus 2. This will become, because the two signs are equal, we will add, it will become 39. Now we can take the example of 14 plus 9 minus 2 plus 6. If we take this example, how we will solve? 14 plus, first we will solve parenthesis, 7 plus 6. Now two signs are addition, so we can calculate all together, that is 14, 7, 21 and 26 is 20. 14, 20, 21 plus 6, 27. 27 is the answer.